Struggling with your builder? Here's how to get back on track. When building a custom home, nearly everything relies on your relationship with your builder. You need someone who is more than just a home builder. You need someone you can trust. And reversely, your builder will rely on you for many things throughout the course of the project. Understanding the relationship and working together as a team will determine how smoothly your project goes. With that said, to help you in the case if you're struggling with your builder, here are some tips to help you get back on track. Lack of communication. The majority of issues between builders and homeowners boil down to miscommunication and a lack of updates. All too often, contractors get wrapped up in the project details and fail to give proper notification of daily progress and scheduling setbacks to the homeowners. While it's best to establish communication from the get-go, if you are in a deteriorating relationship with your contractor, get the communication going again and establish a schedule for communication and meetings, and work to get into a regular rhythm. And be sure to get everything in writing. Text and emails are great for this. Even when you have verbal communication, let the contractor know that you're going to send an email recapping the conversation and make sure you're both on the same page. This forces both of you to lay out your potential issues and can be referred back to if more problems arise. Also, put timelines on when agreed upon items will be complete and be clear on who is responsible for each item. Establish clear milestones. As soon as you begin to have problems with your builder, one of the best things you can do is reestablish a plan going forward and a time frame in which things will happen. Are they missing important details you've already discussed? Put in writing exactly what will be done to rectify it and when it will be completed. Be understanding to a point. When working on a complicated home building project, it's just a matter of time before something goes wrong. Maybe it's a mistake or maybe something beyond anyone's control. An experienced builder won't be thrown off by short-term setbacks and usually build in extra time to accommodate unexpected issues. But if it seems like your project is having issue after issue, or no one has been working on site for weeks, then it's time to schedule a face-to-face meeting with your builder to understand what course of action they're going to take to get your project back on track. Always go directly to the builder with your complaints. Do not send letters from lawyers, governmental agencies, home builder association, or any other third parties before you've given your builder a reasonable chance to correct the problem. Interference from outsiders may impede the handling of your complaint. Don't be snarky or mean. Don't ever send angry, sarcastic, or threatening emails, letters, or texts to your builder. This type of communication will definitely do more harm than good. If you've ever heard the saying, you will get more flies with honey than vinegar, this is true when working with your builder. Personally, I will go to the mat with my clients who treat me and my team with kindness and respect. And when I coach people who are struggling with their builder, I encourage them to gently push on items needed to be completed. You will get much better results using this method. Escalation. Lastly, you can consider escalating the situation. Threatening to give bad reviews on sites such as Yelp, Angie's List, Houzz, Better Business Bureau can quickly bring things to a head, for better or worse. Don't visit the job site every day. I tell my clients that I want them to enjoy the ride, but one of my goals is to keep them off the roller coaster. If you're at the job site every day, you're going to get on the roller coaster and not even know it. It will look like nothing is progressing as fast as you think it should, or you'll be exposed to the daily issues arriving from building a complicated construction project. Good builders manage through the daily setbacks as they know it's part of the process. It's kind of like touring a sausage factory. If you saw how sausage is made, you might not eat it again. Same with building a house. We builders deal with all sorts of issues. Contractor nonsense, having to rebuild incorrect work, lazy trades, broken windows, etc. The issues run the gamut. A good builder will insulate you from the issues that arise every day. Don't bring in other contractors to review the quality of your builder's work. That's like asking the fox to protect the hen house. They will work hard to find any small issue and blow it up and make it appear larger than it truly is. And don't ask your friends' advice if they haven't built before. The home building experience can be wrought with missed expectations and frustrations. And if they haven't been through it before, they won't be able to give you wise counsel. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you some helpful ideas on how you can get back on track if struggling with your builder. If you have any questions about this video or ideas about new videos we could make, leave them in the comments section. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to us if you'd like to get more of our great content. Lastly, if you're interested in building a custom luxury home in Houston, you can reach out to us through our website, aspirefinehomes.com.